So I have like a PC computer, not an Apple computer, and it seems to me it's kind of hard to get things in and out of an iPhone. But I've come up with a set of techniques. So what's in this video will be about transferring photos or any arbitrary files to a PC. With regards to copying files from the PC to the iPhone, what I usually do is export network shares from the PC and through the network on the iPhone in the native files application. You can then use the three dots on the upper right hand side of the screen to mount SMB server, put in your address, and then browse to the files on your computer and then copy them. Really, you should be able to reverse that same procedure, but for some reason, Apple doesn't let you do that. That's why I have to use this other strange procedure. So there's my iPhone 11, and I don't generally use it for taking pictures, although it does take better pictures than this iPhone 6S. And there it is connected to my router, and what it's doing is that's how I get my internet here, because I have 110 gigs of data on my plan. So it functions like a cable modem to a router, and then anything on my network can access it, the internet, but you know, you can only do 110 gigs, then it'll go to a low rate after that. But so far I've been doing well with that amount. So you know, let's say I was going to take some pictures with the 11 Pro here. I can maybe I'll go to video. So go to video. Okay, so next step is to go into photos. Come on, there you go. Go into photos, select the individual things. What's going on here? Okay, so then what we do is we go actions, right? Send, upload, or whatever, and say save to files. Okay, so from photos, I'm saving the files. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just to organize things, I'm going to make a new folder. I'll call this today. Right? Okay, so in here, then I say save. So now I've saved those pictures to your on the phone and file manager, right? So, let's see, files. This is the Apple files. So what we'll do here is we'll select that, and then we'll see where's actions here. Compress, yes. So we'll go down here to these things at the bottom, say compress. So now I have a zip file of that folder. This has the things in it. And that is a zip file. So then what I do here, I'm going to select that zip file, and we'll go to the upload here, and we'll say, we'll see there's actions here. File manager. So this is the tab media file manager. So what it's going to do, okay, so it's now imported the file into this thing here. This tab media is one of the files that's in this tab media file manager program. Okay, so what I've done here, you would have to do this, but I've turned on my 5 gigahertz wireless here, just because I kind of don't like my wireless up by itself. But you know, your router would probably be on all the time, so you wouldn't have to do that. So what's going to happen now is my phone's going to connect to the wireless. Okay, so now I go to the tab media file manager, and I go into this looks like gears thing here, and it there's an option Wi-Fi sync. What happens is it's taking the address it got off my Wi-Fi network, and it's saying that through the web browser I can access the file. Okay, so what I have here is my browser on my computer. This is my computer, right? This is the computer where it's going. And I have the browser here with the address that's on that screen. So what happens here is I get a list of things on the screen, and I select a particular one. It's today.zip, right? That's the one we're looking for. And say download, right? So now I just decide where I want to put it. Okay, I'll put it in this directory, interesting here, and save. Right. So now it is downloaded. My download, what does it indicate? I've completed a 127 megabyte download. So here on my Linux computer, where I saved that to through my web browser, I'm just going to unzip it. Okay, so it looks like it worked pretty well. Oh, it's the HEIC. Okay, well, that's another story, but I guess it's because by default they're set to save the high def, whatever that is, the HEIC file format. Anyway, here, what's going on here? Why didn't I find that? Oh, okay, because it came out as a folder. That's why. It's because it made a new folder for the folder. Okay, so here we go. So it's upside down, but it's basically okay. Yeah, it's another little survival tool for these later iPhones. I have something for Linux that converts those HEICs to JPEGs. So I have a little hacky thing of mine that will convert them to JPEGs. So let's just EOG JPEG. Okay, so this would be the JPEG pictures that I took.